Flip 5 versus Charge 4 sound battle PartyBoost modus. Okay guys, so today we have here two, not just one, but we have two JBL Flip 5s. These are connected in PartyBoost mode. So, you know, instead of here this Connect Plus, these have the PartyBoost mode, and these are in competition against one JBL Charge 4. So we see which one is louder. Is the single Charge 4 louder? Are the two JBL Flip 5s louder? So they're standing right in front of each other here. So the transducers of the Flip 5s are up here, so they're not going to the Flip Charge 4 is not going to be in the way of the transducers of the Flip 5s, so this is okay, I think. So this is a binaural audio recording, so I better get out your headphones so you can get the full audio volume. And first we're going to start out with volume of just about 50%, a little bit more, and then later on we're going to raise this up to full volume to see what these speakers can do. Okay, so now let's get started. Let's give it a go.